Hey there, David here and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. Today I just wanted to have a look at some of the arsenal that I've been using, namely the skateboard. You know, when I got into this, it was all about supping and foiling, and then foiling and winging. And when I got into the wing, and it was recommended to me that maybe I could practice a bit on the skateboard. Now the skateboard turned out to be a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be, and I went from my son's tiny little bubble skateboard, the plastic one that we bought from Kmart for when he was 5 or 6, and then we went into a normal skateboard. And the normal skateboard has been great, and really people ask me what sort of skateboards to use, and I don't think it matters. It's just so much fun to get out on the board with the wing and to roll around. The traditional skateboard works on trucks that look like this, and the trucks just bend straight down. They bend like that, and when you bend them, it turns, because they're the same both ends, it just turns evenly. Like a surfboard, that when you turn your surfboard, it tends to just run, whether it be surfing, water skis, even snow skis. They tend to grab hold of the edge, and then as it carves around the edge, then it turns. And all of that has been great. But then this became a revelation to me, and it's the surf skateboard. Now the difference with the surf skateboard is that the back trucks, they're the same, but the front trucks are on two separate universal joints. So not only do they turn that way, which we normally do, but then they can spin forward and aft. And as a result of that, when you turn them, you can see instead of it turning just straight down, it actually turns in the direction you want to go. And what that means, that it pivots the whole thing around the back trucks, and it acts remarkably like a wing. What a wing does is that it has a mast, and the mast comes up, and basically when you turn, it pivots around that center point there, and so it turns really sharply. And pretty much like this skateboard, when you turn it, it turns straight around this. It mimics that mast, and so it makes it much more maneuverable. But more than that, it also has a couple of other benefits, and I thought the best way to do it is to jump on the skateboard and show you. Now the first part of why this is so good is actually, we're not actually going to take the sail first up. We're just going to jump on the skateboard, because this front fork enables us to turn and develop speed and work with and without the sail. And it's really good practice. A lot of surfers use it for that. Once we get going, start turning, weight forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, and I can start to turn, start to get a bit of speed happening. And I can pretty much do this all day. It's a bit of technique. Wow, that was so much fun. My ability on a skateboard might have passed me by, but I can still get on there and give it a run, and it helps me get going, and is totally awesome. And speaking of totally awesome, if you like this and like any of my other shows, then please subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to follow me. Leave a message. Always love hearing messages. The other thing that I've been really doing for is using it with the sail. So nice little puff as we speak. Helicopters in the background. Now the first thing we might do is, once we get going, so I can just hold the sail now. And with a little bit of speed from the sail, I can generate 4 feet more. Now I was having troubles getting to do a turn in one skateboard, in one netball court, but now we can do it in a quarter of a turn. It's incredible how small a turning circle you need to be able to do it. Not much breeze, so then you can just roll on a bit. There we go, breeze again. Coming down these walk, I used to be able to only just go up and down, whereas now I can wind my way through and use those gutters to do a little bit of surfing. While I'm at it, I just want to thank Sideways Surf. Not that they gave it to me, but that's where I got this skateboard from, and it's been fantastic. It's probably the cheapest place on the coast. And go and so go and have a look there online, and they're at a whole heap of places. And of course, for all your foiling, your wing, and other needs, I recommend Oceanatics. Ben is fantastic. Luke is great. They have all the right gear there. So go in, say good day, tell them you saw them from me, and they'll look after you. So I might just keep rolling for a little bit, but I hope you found this helpful, and until next time, smooth sailing.